Assalamualaikum everyone. So, for your examination, Teacher Fia will give you a task of making a simple chart diagram. Okay, so right now we will make a simple diagram about animal and its classification. Okay, let's start. First, let's go to the insert and take shapes. You can take any of the shape that you think is possible. For Teacher Via, I will take rectangle rounded corners. And then, I will start to draw shapes first. Okay, after you finish the shapes, please do the style that you want. Of course, because Teacher Via want to write something inside it, I will not choose the blue like this. I will make sure that the shape fill is empty. No fill. And for the lines, I can choose another color, or I just choose over here to make sure that my shape is getting beautiful and nice to see. But I will choose this shape online instead and choose the color, this color, dark red, that I have prepared before, and change the length of the shape. Oops! But my length is so thin, so I will change the outline from this way and I will make it more thicker. Okay, ta-da! And it happened to be like this. The third step is to write inside this shape. How we do that? Okay, now you have mouse or the button in your keyboard, right? Choose the right one, the right button. Click the add text, okay? And after that, you can write anything and you type anything inside the shapes. So the first thing that I want to type is animals. Okay, this is the animal that I have typed. And then because it's too small, I will block all them. How to block? Press the left button on your mouse or your button on the keyboard and then go over here. You can change the font. For example, Teacher Via will change to Arial and then I will make it bigger from the sides like this. Okay, now it's getting bigger. It's animal. Of course, you can play with your shapes too. If you want to make it smaller, just drag. This one is become like this. Okay? Okay. So there's one thing that I didn't teach you yet, is how to make our shapes coloring. Okay, go to the format and fill this one if you want to make it the color. Take shape fill and choose any color that can use. For example, I choose the one that is red like this. It will becoming coloring. If you want to add more effects, you can choose any effect like shape effect. You can choose the shadows if you want the shadows. There's many of the shadows over here. They're outer, inner, and perspective. So Teacher Via didn't like shadow, so I will not show shadow. If you want the reflection, you can choose the reflection over here. Glowing, maybe you like something glow. Okay, of course, you can choose that also. And you want to choose soft edge, you can also choose it. But Teacher Via neither like all of them. I just like the usual things, so I will not change of anything. How about the font inside of this? You can block and also can make any of the style. You can choose over here and write any color that you want. For example, I change this into blue. And then you can make the like this. You can take like automatic colors that make it more like has definition maybe, or have any style. You can choose over here. All of them you can find in the format. This is for the format. This means for the word art style, the styles of the font, and this one is the shape style for the shapes. Anything that you can make it, you have to click and make the dot, circle that white dot to make sure that you can make any of shape and you can style your own shape. Do you understand, kids? Okay, now let's start to work. From now on, Teacher Via will not have any of the voices. I will just make the shape by my work. You can see my work after this. sure that it's not make you tired of it, you can use Control C and Control V, which is copy and paste. For example, Control C, Control V, and you see that you can copy and paste, and you can change the typing inside this if you want to change to another like via. Okay, so it not make you working hard. You only have to do a simple task, make one shapes, and then you copy and then you paste. Okay, let's start. Okay everyone, so that's all the examination for today. I hope that you can follow my video. If you have any question, please kindly asking me. Bye bye everyone. Do not forget, you don't need to send me a video, but instead just send me this file. You can take a picture, okay, or you can just send me the file of the words. Okay, bye bye everyone. See you in the next video.